AB InBev raising its guidance, saying beer sales have accelerated. Brian Sozzi is the CEO of the world's largest brewer in studio. Over to you, Saz.
Thanks, Shauna. Yeah, joining me right now is AB InBev CEO Michel Doukeris. Good to see you. Good quarter from you guys this week. Is this just revenge partying in its finest form?
Good seeing you. And thank you for having us. No, I think that is more business momentum that is cutting across the different geographies that we have and is building as we execute our strategy. And of course, consumers are celebrating and having more cheers everywhere.
Yeah, no, there's a lot to celebrate, just getting out of our houses after 2 years. But there's a lot of concerns, economic concerns. The economy around the world is slowing. You're a global brand, of course. How does that impact beer demand?
So beer as a category is very resilient. And if I would say to date, what we've been seeing is beer is growing globally. Volumes are up. It's gaining share of throat. So this growth comes part from beer taking from other alcoholic beverages in different markets. And as you know, beer is an affordable item. So when you have economic recession, downtrends, usually consumers maintain consumption in beer, or they even uptrade, because it's very affordable to go from mainstream beer to premium beer. What could be different if you change your car or if you go on an international trip? I think that demand is holding. Beer as a category is very resilient. You don't have a lot of penetration on items such as like private labels. So even though people sometimes change channels, they don't change the brands that they love.
I definitely don't want a private label beer. That's not my jam. But look, in this environment, do you see people trading down? And obviously, I'm a consumer of your product, from a Bud Light Platinum, a more premium type of beer, to a good old-fashioned can of Bud, just to save a couple bucks.
Not yet. Globally, we don't see this. Premiumization, as I said, as a trend, continues to go and is doing well. You think about our global brands, more premium brands, this quarter, they grew very well, led by Corona, that grew revenues 23.5%, while we grew revenues 12%, a little bit above that in the quarter. So more premium beers continue to move. Is almost unstoppable trend, I think, in the category. A lot of headroom to continue to premiumize.
Let's talk about some of the products on this table here. So I've had one of those. I had one of those last night. I have not had one of those in a while. That I've not had. But so talk to us about this. What category is this in from your portfolio? How big a brand is that? And even something like Cutwater as well on the other side.
Yeah. So, traditional beer very well. We have here premium, low carb. You should definitely try Budweiser Zero. Is amazing.
You got me with the label.
It's one of the go-to brands that I have right now, because you can take any day, any occasion. And there is this traditional categories as we speak about, like beer, wine, spirits. But this is inside out type of view. Consumers really look at occasions and what they want to drink. And there is a big portion of consumers out there that they prefer flavor, convenience, and this so-called beyond beer fourth category is emerging across the globe. In the US, it's something that already has like 10 years that people see this in different shapes and forms. And neutral and Cutwater, for example, are a manifestation of that. Those are made with real spirits. One is a vodka seltzer that has juice. The other one is a full cocktail. You can have a Moscow Mule, you can have a Lamaritas, several different Mai Tais and products, high quality, awarded premium spirits from Cutwater that we also do in a convenient package that is ready to drink. It's growing very well. Both brands are available nationally and doing very well in this space. Sources a lot of volume from wine drinkers, from spirits drinkers. Very incremental to our business and delicious. You should try it.
Yeah, sounds like a party in a can to me. I know you're very excited about the World Cup. What is the sales estimate? Do you have a sales estimate on how big the World Cup could be to your business?
So first and foremost, I'm excited because I'm a fan, as billions of people out there, and a serious fan. We were talking before.
We were talking before. You seemed serious. Yeah, I compared it to watching my Yankees, but clearly it runs deeper than that.
I love the games. I'm going to be there watching as many other fans across the globe. And it happens every 4 years. It's the biggest sport event on earth. I think that this year will have a totally different connotation because of post-pandemic. If you travel around, if you go to sports events this year, you cannot have a ticket, right? So it's all fully sold. I think that FIFA will be also big. We are activating 70 countries. In the years that we have FIFA, usually our volumes go up between 0.7 and 1% for the year.
Nice boost.
And the tournament is 3 weeks, but it's global. So numbers from FIFA say that like 2.53 billion people watch the games globally. There are celebrations in each and every country. We'll be activating in 70 countries with the local brands and local passion points, but also with Budweiser, which is the official sponsor of FIFA World Cup Qatar.
Lastly, before we let you go, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. All those viewers on the Yahoo Finance platform probably looking for that cold one. What's your favorite beer? I know you must get asked that all the time.
I like beer, period. Every time that I need to go for one, I love Budweiser. And after moving to the US and having the chance to live here and work with AB and the colleagues here, Michelob Ultra is another outstanding one. But I love beer. Budweiser is the one that I prefer the most. Take your zero whenever you can, or a Michelob Ultra.
I'm taking it. Believe me, I'm trying very hard not to pop the bottle on that one. Well, welcome to Yahoo Finance. Good to have you on, Michel Doukeris, AB InBev CEO. Now Shauna, it's time for a drink, Shauna.
Thank you. It is time for a drink.
We need to get it on.
I'm with you. I want to try some of that cut water, so hopefully you guys can save me again. I have to say, my favorite beer is Bud Light with a fresh lemon. I've been doing it for years.
Who puts a lemon in a Bud Light?
A lot of people judge it. I get some weird looks when I do it. But it's very, very good. And I recommend everyone out there, you have to try it next time.